Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study +1 effectively step by step. Begin by defining the single extra topic you will add and set a clear timed goal. Break study blocks into 25-minute sessions, use active recall and spaced repetition, and take brief breaks. Track progress weekly, adjust timing if memory falters, and celebrate small wins to build momentum. Keep materials organized and limit multitasking to sharpen focus and retention. Identify your core subject and the +1 topic you will study alongside it. Allocate 2 to 3 focus sessions per week for the extra topic using a calendar and alarms. Use a single notebook or digital folder to collect concise notes, questions, and quick summaries. Prioritize tasks by impact, tackle hardest items first, and review prior material before adding new concepts. Set modest rewards for completion to sustain motivation, and keep momentum steady. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading and reviewing notes on the go effortless and cozy. I mention it because portable reading helps cram sessions and reference checking between study blocks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a study companion. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Practice active recall by self-testing on key points and teaching the +1 topic out loud to yourself. Create flashcards with concise prompts, spaced review intervals, and mix related examples to strengthen connections. Apply interleaving by alternating problems and topics within sessions to improve transfer and depth. Use summary sheets with 3 to 5 key takeaways and practice under mild distractions to build resilience. Review weekly and adjust flashcard intervals based on recall accuracy and progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.